Hello, thanks for stopping by the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes every week. Today, I'm going to share a dish my mom used to cook whenever she needed a quick fix for dinner. She gave the dish a beautiful name, the sun. I added a little bit twist to make the dish spicy, as my mom is not a big fan of spicy food. Let's go. 6 fresh eggs, water, medium heat. Let's make hard-boiled eggs. Boil for about 10 minutes. Turn off the heat. Soak the eggs in cold water for easy peel. Peel the eggs and cut each egg evenly into 4 parts. Use the board and try not to copy what I'm doing here. It's a little risky to cut your fingers. And then arrange the eggs in circles on the plate. For the topping sauce, in a heated pan, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, minced garlic and small red chili pepper rings. Stir fry a few times. One teaspoon of dark rice vinegar. About a 1/3 pound of ground beef, pork, turkey, or chicken, whatever is your favorite, and stir fry until the meat turns brown. Add about 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce and 1½ teaspoon of salt. Add starch liquid, which is 2 teaspoons of starch and 6 tablespoons of water. Stir fry until the sauce gets dense. Turn off the heat. Pour the sauce on top of the eggs. And put it in the center. Add scallion rinds for garnishment. And that's it. To enjoy, make sure you have both the sauce and a piece of egg in one bite. It is delicious. Thanks for watching. What's your family recipe? Leave a comment and share. Please like and subscribe as well. See you next time.